Yo, what's up? Back with another trade recap. Today is the fourth Wednesday. Took an L today. I got cooked in my trade. I took a long. Really thought longs was gonna be the day, but I guess it wasn't. But we gotta take these losses as a learning, as some like to learn. We can't let these losses, can't let one loss discourage us. So we gotta stay strong. We gotta come back even better, and the amount of losses I take will hopefully contribute to the amount of wins I take. So hopefully I could really master this or try my best to. So starting off, let me hop on the 1 hour. I'd go on the 1 day, but for some reason I think cause it's only been like a few hours, like it's only been it hasn't been like long since New York AM. So whenever I go on the daily, and then I come back on the 15 minute, it resets and it puts it to current data, which I don't know why. But on the daily, we basically checked and we hit lots of lows that I really wanted to see get hit. So I was waiting for a possible. Why am I forgetting the word? Possible inverse. Is that the word? Possible. I forgot the word. It was I just wanted it to change direction, hit those lows, and then come back up. But what's really nice, I saw on the 1 hour, we had this large unfilled for bearish for value gap, which looked like a really nice target. And then let me just make sure. Yeah, we got another one right here. So we looked pretty nice to go towards after we hit those daily lows. Let me go in the 15 minute now. And what I saw is during overnight, Asia session happens, and then London sessions takes out Asia highs, takes out New York lunch highs, then we hit Asia lows, create London lows, and then right in the morning, right before the day starts, right before New York AM starts, we hit London lows, which was really nice. And as of 9:15, we were inversing this bearish gap, which was look like a really nice opportunity to try to catch longs during the market open today. So after I saw this, I was thinking we are gonna be bullish, pretty good chance to be bullish. I thought it was bullish, right? 5 minute inverse, we're disrespecting bearish, respecting bullish now, which looked like a pretty good sign for a reversal. That's the word I was looking for, reversal. There we go. So now hop on the 1 minute, and now we'll show you guys the trade I took and how absolutely cooked I got. So let's go to, okay, yeah, massive dump, first candle. Honestly, today I think it was just I wasn't really following my rules. Took a little mistake, but I'll get back up on my feet after this one. I believe. Oh shoot! I think I missed my entry. I entered off this inverse right here. Let me just put this back. Okay, there we go. I put this inverse back, and if we check on the 15 minute, it says we're bearish. And one thing that I've been doing recently with my setups is if I'm gonna enter on an inverse for value gap, I always, well, not today, clearly I didn't, check the 15 minute to see how price is moving on the 15. And as I took the trade on this inverse to on this bearish for value gap to go long, I forgot to check the 15 minute. And what does the 15 minute say? It says we're bearish. So I think my number one rule from now, I need to always check the 15 minute. I always need to check the higher time frames, because I need my higher time frames to be aligned with my 1 minute. And clearly it wasn't aligned, because on the 1 minute I entered on the long when the 15 minute said we're still bearish. So let me just demonstrate how cooked I got. So I entered off here. Today I did enter 10 micros, even though I try to stay 5. It's just that um, the school's Wi-Fi is really, really bad. And whenever I click buy, I have 5 micros. I click buy for the 5 micros. That one doesn't load, so I start panicking. I'm gonna miss my entry, and I just like click it again, 5, and then I just buy it. And then it's just like, then I have 10, so now it's double. So I'm just gonna do 10 because that's what I just did this morning. But this time it actually like, yeah, loads in like second I buy it. But school, it's like it's so weird. So shoot, where did I put my lows? Why am I forgetting? Shoot, why am I forgetting? Let me check my phone real quick. It's gonna take like a second. Let's see. I lost a lot though. I was like 1,000, I think, which is not good at all. Let me try. Okay, so I took, let's see. Oh, okay, so did I have my lows all the way down here? I don't think so. I don't know. I don't think I put it all the way down. I don't like, cause that's like a lot. I was like a lot. It's like around here. 1,700 to 1,700. Yeah, bro. I really thought I was gonna hit this. I need to get this precise. Yeah, I was confident, bro. Like, if you told me, like, in the moment, like, yo, you're about to get stopped out, I would not believe you. Let me just let's remove this now, and then I can add tool, just to make it more cooler, I guess. Yeah, I really thought we were going to be long today, but we weren't, and that's okay, you know? We gotta take a good loss every now and then. Not every loss is a bad loss. There's a bad loss. You can have a bad loss, and you can have a good loss. Personally, today, what I felt is I took a good loss because I really tried to put my effort into thinking that it was gonna be bullish today, but sadly it wasn't. If you guys think that I'm just dumb and I should have went long today, just let me know like what I should have done. Let me know what I did wrong, and I'll be happy to see how I could fix it next time. Okay, bro, it does not matter. Alright, I don't know why I'm like, alright, now we can see how cooked I got. And let's see, bro. We just started consolidating like crazy, bro. And then I just stopped out right there. So yeah, this is the trade I took today. I took a loss. That was how much I lost, like 1,100. I'm just hoping that the next day I could come back better. You know, maybe we'll learn from my mistakes, be more strict on my rules, and yeah, that was today's trade. I hope you guys had a good trade today. I hope that you guys have a good trade tomorrow, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.